mystery house walkthrough, mystery house tour. It's actually a camper. Let's take a look. I wonder if there's a poop in the toilet. Let's take a look. Ew. Hello, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. I'm going to title this Mystery Camper. We have this camper over here. There's this guy who owns it, and he's trying to get it sold. I've got a potential buyer. I've never been in this. It's kind of creepy looking. I've actually never seen this guy go in here. But apparently, he crashes here sometimes, I guess, when he's got issues with his lady friend. That's usually the story. So he's got his little hideout. We're gonna go around here. Guy wants me to take pictures of it. Look inside and take pictures of it. Kind of scary. I think I have the right key. Make sure it's not already open. Don't know which lock this key is for. Well, that worked, and that worked. Here we go. We're gonna go inside. Kind of scared. Ooh, it's creepy. It's furnished. And it's creepy. What do we have in here? Got that leather couch for the ladies. That slide out is fitted out. Whoa, fuck me. That's gross. I don't know why I hear stuff. What is this noise? This is freaky. I don't know if it's the wind doing that, but I hear stuff. Here's the bedroom. I guess this is where the action happens. We got that flat screen on the wall. What else do we have in here? Whoa, all right. Floor is soft. That's for sure. I'm not gonna walk my big ass in there. But we do have the flat screen, kind of thick, big bezel. I got the mirror so you can see what's going on. Fan to keep you cool. What is that noise? It's like static. Elvis. Got some photos up here. The fuck is that noise? It might be the wind. It sounds like random static, like on a walkie-talkie. This is pretty gross, man. I got a little stove here. I'm not gonna open anything because I'm fucking terrified in here. What do we have over here? Catch a bath right here. Oh shit. Catch a bath. Fuck. Got your TP. Your disinfectant. Might need to use that disinfectant. That's Corona Rona right there. Oh, it's empty. I wonder if there's a poop in the toilet. Let's take a look. Oh shit. That's pretty clean. What else we got in here, man? This thing needs some work. I guess I'm gonna have to tell that guy that. We got a food saver vacuum right here. What is that? That Ronco? V3230. Maybe I'll come back here and give that a review. Wow, that kid looks so much like my former stepbrother's daughter. That's weird. What else can we look at in here? We got the bull horns. Put that on front of your Dukes of Hazzard boss man, boss hog in it. Got a change of clothes down there and a towel, dry yourself off. This little love seat is pretty nice. Is that recline? I don't know. Looks like it might. Little ottoman storage right here. I'm not gonna dig in this guy's stuff though. Do you hear that static sound? I don't know if you're picking that up. Anyway, ew. I'm gonna give this place actually a thumb up and a thumb down, and I'll give it the thumbs up. Because sometimes you just need to get away from your woman at all costs, man. I could see myself, previous relationships, crashing in here. Maybe slap a Xbox in here. Maybe even pay to wire it up with some internet and hide out. But, ooh-wee. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.